today I'm here with Melinda. We're changing a tire. And I'm the supervisor and she's the tire changer. I get the better job, I think. What about you, Melinda? What do you think?
I'm not even sure what I'm doing. So, your guess is as good as mine.
Okay, so anyway, this is Melinda with Living the Life Lindy. Look her up on YouTube.
The Life Lindy. Hi, you probably already know me.
Yeah, we've done rig tours with her in her minivan. And I believe it's a Dodge Caravan, is it not?
2016 Dodge Grand Caravan.
Nice, yes.
I hit something on this fun road in Dodge's, and so I did not know that you needed this to be put in the new tire. I just thought, it magically happened. So I got a tire, but I didn't bring in my old tire. So I've been sitting here a little bit.
And she's ready to go.
Yeah, so I think we have it jacked up. Hopefully, I got a lot of jacks.
Yeah, so she's been jacking it up, and she wasn't sure how to do that, so we talked about that. And because another friend came and jacked it up the other day for her.
That's because I still need to live in it,
Right. And so that's also why there's backup jacks, because she's been living in it for the past few days.
Boom. That would suck.
Okay,
Melinda. Tires are really freaking heavy. What?
They are. I would jack it up a few more.
Is it not on?
Yeah, it's on, but it might be easier. You need it to go all the way in, a little bit more, and it might just be. Oh, isn't that a cute one? I got to scoot back for that. That's great. Wait.
Won't you take me home? Get me with your flight. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
Now I just have to get in the holes. It's definitely up high enough.
Well,
it's like off the ground.
Oh, it is off the ground. Okay, so
don't cover up my.
Don't cover up what?
My phone.
Oh, I did. I covered up your phone.
Folks. I just turned it again.
Well, that's okay. You're still gonna find it easier if you jack it up a little bit more, because you'll have room to move that tire. Drama much?
Everything's drama and no math. Okay.
Oh, okay. Not lined up.
How do you know?
Because I can see that you're not.
Damn it.
You're getting closer. Keep going a little more over. You're not. There you go. You're almost lined up there. Eh, you're went too far, I think. Gee. Yeah, it's not fun. She do it. Oh my goodness. Hey, you got the sweat rag on and everything, girl. And look, cuteness overload.
Jazzy wants to help.
Yeah, Jazzy wants to help. She says, come sit by me.
Like, I hate you guys. You leave me all alone. And now I have to fend for myself.
Oh, poor thing. Oh.
Oh, maybe I do need to check up more, eh?
Yeah, you might.
Damn, I do.
Here.
I can't get it.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little work here. See if we can get her jacked up high enough.
Get her done. We got this. No men needed, except for all the rest.
Yeah, we need them for
unfortunately
sometimes.
We do. Okay, no offense, men. I like you long time, but still.
Long time.
Long time. Forever
Yes, you
and
do it
ever.
this time. You're close. You're very close. Yes, you're getting it. Oh my goodness, looky there.
Now what? Help!
Well,
I need lug nuts. Give me the nuts.
How many nomads does it take to change a tire?
At least 2 and a puppy.
And just do it a little bit. kind of get it caught and put, get them all started.
Look at these hands. These are working hands.
Ooh, yeah, look at that.
Oh.
And each little lug nut.
Screw in the nut.
Screw in the nut. And we can do that in 2-time mode.
All right,
Or
screw it.
4-time mode.
Get her done.
Get her
Speed it
done.
up.
Make some funny noises or something.
That will sound very funny when you do it.
Okay.
Bam!
Now.
Ready? Bam!
Done! Except for now, we've got to find the right tool to tighten those lug nuts up. And so when you tighten the lug nuts up, you do just like you did just now, and you do them a little bit at a time.
Say that all over, Nana. Just trying to record too.
Oh, okay. When you tighten the lug nuts up, you need to... the cuteness.
She's all tied up. Get her. She's so cute.
Oh, she'll be okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you want to tighten them up one at a time and don't get them too tight, and then just keep, do it several times.
I do it.
Yeah, that's a good.
kinda
Yeah, that's a good plan
some
too.
kinda
Right.
Thingy.
So
I need the inch-pound torque wrench to be able to decipher
where's your
how much the movement.
where's your lug nut tightener thing?
Let me find that.
Okay.
Hold on.
Pause. Got
Ha-ha!
a doohickey thingamabobber.
You get some leverage in here and you just. Okay, hold on. I gotta record too.
Okay, I can get up off the ground now, I think. I think she can handle it from here. We can hope, huh?
Well, we can only pray.
But she's doing it. She's getting her done. You go, girl.
And then righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, just kind of get them all just, you have to make sure it's on the right one.
I mean, what? What?
Is it actually catching the lug nut? If it's
Oh.
not catching the lug nut, then no, it's not doing anything. I would try a smaller one.
Oh, these are different sizes?
They
No
are.
wonder there's 4.
Now it's starting to look like it's doing something.
Ha ha
Ah, ha ha ha.
Da, 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 da. Is that just my... Okay, maybe that's not
Oh, she likes putting on a show, guys. Yeah, you watch her.
No, I
She
got
is.
it, PG.
She is entertaining.
Oh, wait, did I
And-
put the wrong hole in the thing? I don't know.
And look,
Oh,
there's
yeah.
something that's entertaining too. Yes,
Jazzy.
that's very entertaining, isn't it?
Jen and Jason are getting a show. I was showing them some plumber's crap while I'm at it. Okay, something marvelous is happening.
What's that? Is it getting tight?
What I'm talking about is holes and nuts and tightening. It's a bad video, folks. Don't try this at home.
So what's?
Unless you're skilled. This thingamadoozy. Okay. My problem is I don't know how tight to tighten them without breaking
Oh
something.
no, you tighten it as tight as you can,
I think
girl.
you can break some.
It's possible, but not very likely hand tightening, unless you're super duper strong.
You can bounce the
Look
torque
at
wrench
that.
off it. Wait. What's this again? I don't know.
I don't remember what it's called. It's
The doohickey lug
four-way lug nut doohickey thingamajig. Okay, so tighten it what you can just with your hands,
nut. Okay.
okay? And you'll be okay, but do the going around.
This one is more.
Yep.
Okay, I'm scared.
Okay, now go around and tighten them again. You might not,
No.
you might just barely tighten. Okay,
I'm scared too.
get some man over here then and see what they have to
Is anyone
say.
available, man and
I think I might have heard a Jason over that way.
There's a Mike and a somebody over there.
Oh, well, you could holler at somebody if you
Alright.
trust them more than me.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Did you already tighten it up?
Yeah, but I don't know how tight
Okay.
it should be
Okay.
and if I did it right.
And is it back on the ground yet? Once you
No, it's not on the ground yet.
No, we got 3 jacks under there.
You can put it on the ground now.
Yeah, once we get them tight, we'll put it on the ground, and then we can turn them.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
So I just gotta find the right one.
Yeah, she didn't believe me that they needed to be tighter than what they are right now.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's the last
I didn't
thing.
know. I just heard you tie them too tight and you could break something, and I don't remember what.
Yeah, so I don't want to lecture or anything, but you just go across whenever
Yes.
you're doing them, okay? And you get them to wherever the hand tight spot is, and then you're gonna drop the jack
Okay.
so that the tire doesn't move anymore, and
Okay.
then you will be able to
Really
really
get
tighten
in
it.
there. Okay.
So that's where we're at. I mean, you got them to this point.
Do you know how to drop these jacks
Uh,
without? Wait,
so-
I don't know what that black is.
So it's a bottle jack, right?
There's 3 of them.
Okay. Well, this is gonna be
That one's probably not even tight on there right
no,
now.
It doesn't look that way.
And the other one definitely, the silver one definitely is not.
Okay. So it's really just the bottle jack.
Mm-hmm.
You've got to take down.
Is the bottle jack that big black one?
Yeah.
Right
Okay.
here. Usually on these things. Okay. I think it's gonna be this right here, if I had to take a guess.
Okay.
And
That's scary. Oh wait, up.
well.
Why?
Or hold. I have a power station over there.
Oh, no.
We're okay. Nothing to see here.
Can you tell us what your channel is, Nicole?
Okay.
Yeah.
Camper Tantrum?
I just want to show you.
Okay,
this real
cool.
quick, okay?
So check her
So
out.
This is the end that pumps it up.
Yeah.
Okay, but you just put it in there and you pump.
Yeah.
But you see this little thing right here?
Yes.
That's the hydraulic release. So when I turn, when I use this end of it and I
Okay.
turn it, it's gonna just release it down.
Okay, that's
Okay.
easy. It's
So-
not my jack, but that's easy. I want one of those.
So
I
Yeah, and they're
don't
small.
have any of the spare tire stuff on the van that didn't come equipped. It probably got sunk in there too. I've been living in there with 3 jacks for a minute.
Uh-oh, you might have to use the other jacks to get that one out.
yeah, I see that.
Okay, so we're having to bring it back up, put other jacks under it, so we can get the bottle jack out.
Yeah, but then I still need to get this
How are you
back.
gonna get the other jack?
Yeah.
Well, you need to jack it up and then slide it over, like jack it higher, because it's probably trapped under there.
So nothing to see here.
Now what did I do?
No.
Well, the bottle jack
I
didn't want to
squished it down
release
with my
all the way,
jumping
Jason.
Oh, it doesn't.
So
Yeah,
keep
that's
getting
why it's a complicated mess.
Okay.
It's because the car is too low,
Yeah.
so I had to put the scissor jack under there to get it high enough for the bottle jack.
Oh, okay. All right. Now I follow you. So I gotta take this back up then.
My bad.
Yeah.
Who knew that I was
Just
sending you
came
over
about
here to
I
do
didn't
all
wanna
my
There was a method to my
I
madness.
thought
That's
we
why
were
I
just
had
tightening
3
some
jacks
wires.
under this little van.
That's what we're planning, but he said you have to take it down to tighten it fully. I'm like, oh, I didn't know that.
You do. He's right. Yeah. Well, you have to put pressure on it.
I'm like,
Otherwise
there's 3
it'll just
different jacks under there, and I just put them under there. I don't
Yeah.
know how to get them out of there.
Most of the time it's going to take a tool to make it too tight,
Yeah.
not just your... Yeah.
Jazzy wants to help.
Yeah, Jazzy wants to help.
Just
Pictures
sitting
of
'cause
that.
it's so small.
'Cause that's
Okay, see how much pressure he's putting on there, and he's not breaking anything.
It's
Yep.
scary. I don't know.
It
Maybe
is a
said
little
something
scary.
about that person that
There you
did
go,
that
that's it.
thing and pushed too hard and broke something. Oh, thank you.
Yay! Good job, good job.
No mechanics harmed in this.
So she's ready to get back on the road as long as she checks around and makes sure nothing is under her foot.